Magtagalog ta or may Taglish? We are at Albarcia Pond Resort. We're here to support our friend Kevin.
Yes, we're here to support Tres Circle.
Tres Circle, Tres Circle.
It's Tres Circle or
Tres
Tres Circle,
Circle.
whatever you want to
Yes.
say. Anyway, we are selling used clothes, toys, and cables, and even used cameras.
Yes,
and laptops.
anything you don't use, you can sell it here. Even your ex-boyfriend. Ano pa ba?
And anyway, so proceeds will go to UNICEF Philippines, and there's another organization. It's a very good cause.
Ato na sila. Ate girl! Oh! Hi! Kamusta ka? Ito po yung binibenta na from 5 dirhams to
5 dirhams
and above.
to 15 dirhams.
50 dirhams lang. Size 44. Hindi ko siya ka-size. Ay, maganda i-touch. Maganda din to, conservative. From Shein. Ay, this is beautiful. What size? Size medium. For kids.
Ayun ang bumili.
They have cables.
Oh, we had one camera, Canon EOS, but Rose has to go to photo shoot.
Ay, beautiful.
Nice, right?
It's nice. But it's beautiful. But there's a damage.
Damage.
I like this one. Maganda to. Ito, damage pa din.
Buang man sir, mas damage pa rin sila kaysa
Ano ba yan? Uy, for donation na lang na. Uy, ano ba yan? Ito din, for sale. For sale siya. Ang dami, there's toys, there's cooler, books, household, furnitures. How much is that dress? And the window.
How much is it?
30 dirhams. Ding, 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 ding. Na ako'y cash. Thank you.
What are you doing?
Nothing. Ayan si Janet Joy. Ganito pa ang buhay dito. Paano magsukat sa flea market? Bawal po ang conservative sa flea market.
Hindi siya maluwag.
Oo. Bagay te.
Okay, so Kevin. Ano kayo? Pumunta kayo dito para magbenta tapos?
Ganun talaga ang buhay.
Magbenta pa kayo?
Namili na rin kami. Yung benta namin binili lang. Ano
Tay,
rin?
tay,
Baby
tay.
bra. Baby bra. First purchase!
Wait, there will be no second purchase.
Ay, third purchase.
For sale! For sale! 5 dirhams, 10 dirhams, 15 dirhams! Bili na po! Bili na!
You have to do something
So we have
better
5
than that.
dirhams. We have a gown from Michael Cinco, 5 dirhams. And
What
we have
else?
Kevin's old dresses. She was still 24.
Why are you eating?
24 in waistline. 24 in waistline. But now, yes po, kabayan, 5 dirhams 10. Bili na po na sariling atin. Yes, madam.
Bizi çok changeable size bana.
Which, oh, she's not here.
Suko kayo siya siya ate sa ano. Ate sa vlog.
Luyat tanan.
Si ate, ang gwapo ka si madam.
Madam good no.
From Cebu. Ito na yan.
Nanadyo ko gahi, oy.
Meron siya kagahit eh.
Ano mangita man pag luyat?
Loyal, yan na may gahi.
Gusto din ng klaseng gahi.
Anong gahi nga makalirat yung mata.
Guess what?
Guess what?
Guess what?
Sa mga wig! Salamat po kakatayo sa mga subscribers ko. Sa mga papa ko, may TV na po tayo.
May smart TV na po siya.
Smart TV,
This is what Jenny does while we're selling. It's so cute. Oh, it's only 100 dirhams. It looks so good on me for my 30th birthday. This one too, it's only 100. See? These are all expensive. They're selling it for a very low price, more than 50%.
Small bag.
For closing! Charot. Nagbibilang na sa madam ng pera.
Hindi ako nagbibilang na, ano ko lang.
Na-arrange lang pala.
Hindi ako marunong magpala.
So, all proceeds will go to UNICEF. Yay!